To the YouTube channel. Today I'll share how you can create videos through AI, and you can use those videos on various platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or many other applications like Reddit or Discord.
Ater for being disappointed to eat
This is basically the
Ater for being
software
disappointed to eat
we are
sandwich.
using. This is Short.ai, the software which we are using. I'll share the link of this software in the description box below. And
Have you ever wondered?
this is a very good software. This is the section for faceless videos, in which, as you can see, this is Reddit story, fake text, AI story or video. These are the AI tools like caption generator, video to text, and text to speech.
Have you ever wondered
And
where
it has
chocolate
very
actually
popular
comes from?
templates in this software. So we'll start with the Reddit story. I'll share how you can make video through AI, and the sample which we'll use right now is the Reddit story. So on clicking the Reddit story, this kind of interface you'll see. This is the custom script basically, and AI script is also available here, and you can import from Reddit or TikTok whichever content you want to create here. So we'll go with the custom script, and here we'll write the description which we want in a video. So I'll basically make a promotional video for my product, which is Java Burn, and here I'll write the video script, and my script is here. I'll copy this and paste it over here. And so one thing that the video script is allowed about 1000 characters per minute of a video, and for example the script which I have pasted just now here is of 898 characters. So now click on next button. These kinds of background styles are available in this software, and we'll go with this one. So I have selected this, and after selecting, click on next. This is the subtitle template which you want in your video, and we can go with, I guess, this one is looking cool. Now this is the audio section in which you can basically see what kind of voice you'll hear in the video or what kind of music. For example, I'll show you just now. This is the type of music which is available. I'll play it. As you can listen, this is the music which is available. Paytm is also available, yes. And you can increase or decrease the volume of the music in the video. So we'll go with this one. I've selected this. I'll pause this, and this is the kind of voice which we can choose. For example, this is Frederick survey, and this is the characteristic of the voice. For example, as you can see, we'll play this one for first.
And here we have a calm, well-spoken.
As you can listen, this voice is of a male person who is middle-aged and is speaking English. If you want in any other language, for example, French is also available, Korean and Hindi, and this is an audio from an old-aged person. Female voice is also available here, female, young, English, as you can see. We'll go with this one, male, middle-aged, English. Now we'll click on generate video. As you can see, the software is processing our video. So as you can see,
Java Burn. I recently started using Java Burn, and I have to say, it's been a game changer for my morning routine. I've always loved my coffee, and adding Java Burn to it has not only kept the flavor just as delicious, but also given me a note.
For example, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. And this is a video
which has made it easier to stick to healthier meals without feeling deprived. Plus, knowing it's made with all natural ingredients like green tea extract and L-carnitine gives me peace of mind. I've already started seeing some improvements in my metabolism and weight, and I'm excited to continue this journey with Java Burn. You can get yours at javaburn.fit.daily.co. Java Burn. I recently started using Java Burn, and I have to say, it's been a game changer for my morning routine. I've always loved my coffee, and adding Java Burn to it has not only kept the flavor just as delicious, but also given me...
By clicking on the download button, you can download this video and post it wherever you want. And we will go in downloads. The video is downloading. It is about 47.9 MB. We'll open and it will be available at your destined location of downloads. So yeah guys, this was about this Short.ai software. It is a very cool and good software which you can use to create AI videos. I highly recommend this, and please guys support us a bit, and please hit the like and subscribe button of my channel DML Training. So yeah, that's it for the guys. We'll meet and catch in next video.